Aave truly is a coin that explicitly is at present exchanged at $90.60 per unit, with the market capitalization of $1,325,280,298. That makes it a mid-position digital currency in every practical sense, significant way. Computerized resources like Aave essentially have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for especially huge institutional financial backers who fundamentally see Aave and the remainder of digital currencies as a really viable certainly fence against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which is genuinely critical. Recognizable pattern, which generally is very critical. So, we should zero in on the Aave market, its in every practical sense, current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that by and large depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in an especially enormous way. As of now, the cost of Aave remains at $90.60, and this by and large specific computerized resource stands firm on the 41st footing in the worldwide digital currency in every practical sense, positioning in an extremely significant way. For prettier data, the very positioning of each and every cryptographic money in a real sense is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and cost, and certainly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to. Likewise, to explicitly get a genuinely better in every practical sense handle of the market circumstance and really figure out the in every way that really matters general course of the pattern, or to enlist its non-attendance, it's likewise essential to explicitly examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in a significant manner. Yesterday, on November 2nd, the cost of Aave in every way that really matters remained at $88.94 at the end of the very day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 2.08% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing cost. 7 days prior, on October 27, the Aave market truly remained at $80.81 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which especially is very huge. As the outcome, the cost especially moved by 0% comparable to its kind of present standing. A month prior, on October 3, Aave generally was estimated at $65.15, which matched with our cost expectation for that fundamentally specific period in a significant manner. Contrasted with the especially present place of Aave, it addresses a 39.29% cost move in a significant manner. These figures ought to basically yield you some knowledge into the truly current market structure, though our inside and out cost estimate sort of depends on the appearances of CVIX, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Yet, to sort of grasp the by and large truly capability of Aave, or any really other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's vital to sort of consider the cost variances as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said advanced resource, which for the most part is genuinely huge. At the point when it really comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves substantially more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a truly key pointer to in a real sense be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. It especially is determined by duplicating the kind of absolute number of coins that generally are right now available for use, flowing inventory, by the very current cost of Aave, which, as currently referenced, by and by sort of stands at $90.60, which by and large is very critical. Considering that recipe, we really have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Aave to in every practical sense, be it $1,325,280,298. Which legitimizes its place as the 41st coin among those present on the digital currency market, or so they most certainly thought. Yesterday, on November 2, the market capitalization of Aave explicitly remained at $1,299,917,297. Keep going week. On October 27, the genuinely aggregate sum of certainly capital committed to Aave was laid out at $1,179,074,468. The information from a month prior, enlisted on October 3, by and large shows that Aave generally had a market capitalization of $949,900 in a sort of significant manner. As its name recommends, certainly greatest stockpile alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point generally be mined or printed inside the relating blockchain network, which is genuinely critical. When that sum is gotten, the framework basically stops the age of new coins for good in an unobtrusive manner. The greatest stock for the most part is normally commonly shown in the source code of the basic convention, as well as the white paper in an unpretentious manner. The commencement towards the sort of greatest stockpile as a rule truly begins with the development of the first, beginning, block on the blockchain. In our occasion, Aave in every practical sense has a most extreme stock of 16,000,000 coins as opposed to mainstream thinking. This sort of specific element of a really certain coin can be considered as a fence against expansion in light of the fact that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stockpile roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the greatest inventory fundamentally is reached and makes a pre-customized shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a more unsurprising and consistent cost appreciation. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and especially are either circling available or secured in designers or alternately holders' truly cool wallets amazingly. The especially complete inventory likewise considers any coins that have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, which really is genuinely critical. It tends to be contrasted with the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that sort of is public on the financial exchange in a sort of significant manner. The fundamentally all-out supply of Aave at present stands at 16,000,000 of in an unobtrusive manner. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply sort of is the most regularly involved exceptionally metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to. It relates with the actually the best estimate of the general number of coins that are public on digital currency trades and generally add to their liquidity, which really is genuinely critical. Their volume does exclude the coins that in every practical sense are vested, marked in truly savvy contracts, secured in advanced wallets, or all things considered, put unavailable for general use. The flowing stock is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange. At this moment, the coursing supply of Aave basically is assessed at 14,627,855 Aave amazingly. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Aave market in a real sense added up to $168,608,590 when, or so the especially thought. Yesterday, on November 2nd, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting really added up to $198,224,005 when, in a kind of significant manner. 7 days prior, on October 27th, the force of Aave exchanging all through the meeting came to $155,693,770 when, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. This information and the events on the Aave outline can assist you with especially evaluating for yourselves the for the most part current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the extremely current bearing or making an inversion, which in a real sense is very critical. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, essentially is our kind